cash in, small talk, tell me where the cash is. Get smoked up the ashes, only leave on the motherfucker say.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another E&M Wood Service video. So, my buddy Devin in a tree. You guys seen me do some tree removals with him and work up here in the mountains with him. He put me on one of these. And man, oh man, I took it home after sharpening my chainsaw. I took my chainsaw home after sharpening it with this yesterday. Because we're going to be doing a bunch of tree work here in the property we work at in the mountains. And so I was sharpening a bunch of his chains. I sharpened one of mine. Took it home, started cutting on some wood, and I was surprised. I was like, wow. So this thing does both the raker and the actual tooth at the exact same time. And I like the way it cut. I like the way it cut. I liked it so much I went out and bought one myself. So let's go ahead and sharpen some chain. How about that? Get it to focus.
Nowadays, all they do is talk like that. Cutting in my house, shit coming. Phone is called 12 tax shit, bugging with subject.
Slapping big chops like mutton and split go. If I push this button, keep burning. Anywhere you have, we coming. 50 cows in the desert, burn like stuffing. Bad look, bitch, she bustin'. Phone missed call, but she ain't heard nothing. I was busy fucking with her cousin, told me grab her by her pussy, so I'm trumping.
And I'm back online like they had me on Facebook. They mad I'm up, I'm on your Facebook. Keep watching, I'ma show you Facebook. It's halfway cooked, I can see you stage look.
Straight off in Miami, got the thinking I'm ace hood. Got to shoot first cause I'm knowing that they would. I'm all around this bitch, got to play up the Lakewood. And niggas ain't no shit, they just know how to play good.
Similar like smoke my lungs. Stretch it pretty, put a pussy on my trunk. We ain't tryna have no fun. You call my phone if it ain't about funds. And she said that I'm way too blunt. I don't give no fuck. You feel like what? Don't be like us, you ain't with us, go hold these nuts. Fuck, 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 cause it ain't with us. Fuck, 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 go hold these nuts. Fuck, 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 cause it ain't with us. Fuck, 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 go hold these nuts.
Alright guys, you already know the deal. This thing right here, crazy. This was the saw I was talking about. I hit it with this 12 times on each tooth. This was a bad chain that I hit some metal in. It was not cutting good. Just watch this. Let's see here. Let's go into these ones right here. I did the same thing with a 32-inch 660 clone with a ripping chain. So I think what I did is I made the angles right for actually cutting. We're gonna see, we're gonna test it out on this bitch right here. So let's go. Let's see. I'll set it up like that. So, some pretty nice chips. I think these were the Echo Cuts. I mean, it's not bad. Not bad at all. I know old Buck and Billy Ray here is going to be disappointed in me not practicing my hand files and just doing it normal, getting good at it normal, but this is not that bad. I could pack this into my backpack, right into the bush, right into the woods with me. And I think it works amazing. If you have a dull chain, hit some metal or something, you can go over just a few times on each tooth fast. I sharpened that 32-inch saw in 15 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. Insane. Go buy one of these if you haven't bought one yet. You need one. This is the best hand filing tool of all time. Go buy one. Go buy one now. So, if you guys enjoyed this video on the Stihl 2-in-1 chain sharpener, make sure you guys leave a like, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm doing tons of videos like this, a lot more wood cutting, a lot more wood splitting, a lot more nature videos, a lot more maybe camping videos, a lot going on here. I'll see you guys with the next one, man. I'm outies. Peace. Be safe out there. I love you guys.